You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of all 4 houses in Harry Potter or Harry Potter. Let's go through English pronunciation. How to pronounce Slytherin, Slytherin, Slytherin. Gryffindor, Gryffindor. English pronunciation. Let's learn and continue learning how to pronounce Gryffindor. Hufflepuff, Harry Potter house, Hufflepuff, Hufflepuff. Finally, how to pronounce in English Ravenclaw. Now the American English pronunciation would be Ravenclaw, as opposed to the British English Ravenclaw, Ravenclaw. The name of the Harry Potter houses. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.